respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Anas Mustafa. I am a student of second year FSC from Jinnah Science Academy. Today, I am here with a topic related to chemistry, which is benzene. Benzene and basically its structures and formulas. Do you have any idea about benzene? Benzene is an aromatic compound. Benzene was first discovered in 1825 by a scientist, Michael Faraday. After 20 years, it was also discovered by Hoffman in coal tar. Michael Faraday discovered benzene by the destructive distillation of vegetable oil. Then scientists are eager to study the properties, structures, and functions of benzene, to use benzene for their welfare. So they started to determine the structure of benzene first, because it was a new compound then. So first they determined the structure of benzene. In structure of benzene, first they determine the molecular formula of benzene. To determine the molecular formula of benzene, first we should know the method. In method, first to determine the molecular formula, we should know the empirical formula of benzene. Empirical formula of benzene contain carbon and hydrogen. Empirical formula was determined of benzene by the elemental analysis of benzene. That was carbon and hydrogen, C and H. It means that benzene is made up of only carbon and hydrogen atom. There is no other atom present in it. Then molecular mass of benzene was determined by vapor density method. The molecular mass of benzene is 68.108. It is 6 times the atomic mass of carbon and hydrogen, because the atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus hydrogen is 1. It is equal to 13, and if we multiply 13 by 6, it will is equal to 68, which is approximately equal to 68.108, which is determined by the vapor density method. So the structure of benzene contains 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So molecular formula of benzene was carbon 6. Now the second step was the structure of benzene and how benzene looks. What is the structure of benzene? First, scientists suggested that benzene should have a straight chain structure. Means that it is a straight chain of carbon. It was just an assumption, not an accurate method. If benzene were to straight chain, there are two possible formulas or structures. These were hexa 1,5-diene. It means that it should have two triple bonds, one and second. It was the first straight chain structure possible, not accurate present. Then the second was in it hexa 1,5-diene and 3-ine. It means that it should have two double bond and one single triple bond. Double bond and triple bond are present in alkenes and alkynes respectively. So the benzene should be alkene or alkyne. In alkene there is a double bond, and in alkyne there is a triple bond. So the second step was that benzene adds hydrogen and halogen in its chemical reaction, which show that it is also alkyne or alkene, because it adds 6 hydrogen molecules and 3 halogen molecules. But there was another point that proved that benzene is not alkene or alkyne. It was that it do not delocalize potassium permanganate. The alkenes or alkynes delocalize potassium permanganate, but benzene do not. So it was not alkene or alkyne. This shows that addition of hydrogen and halogen shows that Benzene is an unsaturated compound, but in other point it shows substitution reaction with the H2SO4 or HNO3. It shows that the benzene is a saturated molecule. It shows saturated behavior. So it should not be. It is not possible. Then monosubstituted benzene was studied. If a group attached to straight chain structure of benzene, there are three possible structures. First, it will attach at the first carbon. Second, it will attach at the second carbon. And third, it will attach at the third carbon. But experimentally, it was proved that benzene only gives one monosubstituted product. It means that there is one monosubstituted product. There is one phenol and one toluene. There is no three toluene and three phenols. So it disproved the straight chain structure of benzene. Third was the molecular formula of benzene. Molecular formula of benzene, I told you, is C6 and H6. It do not fit in any of the alkane, alkene or alkyne, because in alkane it is CnH2n plus 2. If carbon is 6, hydrogen will be 14, but there it is 6, not 14. And for alkenes it will be 12, not 6, but in alkynes there is 10. It means that there is no 6. Hydrogen is not 6 in straight chain structure of benzene. So it proved that the straight chain structure of benzene was incorrect. It was disproved that benzene cannot be straight chain. Then other researches, other points will be discussed further. Thanks. Do you have any question?
लैब करेंगे